Hi, my name is Susan Witt, and I'm the Manager of Industrial Training here at EWI. So I oversee all the external training courses that we do for industry in additive, automation, welding, and NDE techniques. So workforce is an issue. We all know this. Workforce and finding skilled workforce before the pandemic was an issue, and now that the pandemic is here and more people are trying to bring manufacturing back to the United States, it's only made the skilled workforce shortage worse. So what we're trying to do here at EWI is we're bringing training to customers so they can train their workforce in emerging technologies such as automation and help them bring the manufacturing back here to the United States and be successful at it. So as you just saw, we have a fully functioning automation lab here at EWI. We have 10 automation cells, 5 industrial robots, 5 cobots. And when you come in for training for automation, you get a really hands-on experience and you learn how to use the machines and how to actually integrate them into your industry. And this is what differentiates us from others out there, is that we are able to give you that hands-on experience and that hands-on training in an environment like this. And whether it's automation, NDE, additive, or welding, we can give you and provide you with the hands-on experience for training.